So, unboxing tayo ng new Aqua Flask ko, guys. Okay, guys, yung Aqua Flask talaga is sobrang subok na namin. So, we have 3 Aqua Flask na. So, hindi pa siya nangangalawang or what. So, yun yung pinaka-legit talaga na mga flask talaga, guys. So, here it is. Very maganda siya, guys. Actually, I was supposed to get the espresso na collection, yung dark brown. But for me, it's too bright or too bold yung color. So, gusto ko rin yung purple, but it's not me. So, ito na lang yung kinuha ko na color, guys. So, this is the color macchiato. And then, pwede siyang hot and cold. Yung kinuha ko is 30 ounce para malaki na yung water na malalagay ko, guys. So, ito na siya. Here it is. Sobrang ganda niya, guys, di ba? And stainless steel talaga siya, guys. I've been using Aqua Flask for how many years but hindi pa siya nangangalawang, guys. So, ito yung new na collection nila, guys. Parang tumbler siya. Meron siyang hawakan dito and meron siyang 2 ways to drink. So, merong ito, di ba? Dito na part. So, ganyan lang. And meron din siyang pastro dito, guys. So, ganyan siya. And this is how it looks like outside. But here is the inside. So, meron siyang paganyan for straw to, guys. So, ganyan siya, guys. Sobrang ganda. Pwedeng hot and cold na drinks yung ilalagay nyo dito. So, very convenient niya lang kapag pupunta kayo kung saan. Ganyan lang siya. Good na siya for its price. So, if gusto nyo makamura, guys, you can check dito sa TikTok or sa Orange app. Bye-bye!